Alright, so this is just going to be a short video on this Toshiba laptop. It's a Toshiba Satellite M55-S135. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video. The customer just wanted the data off it. It's such an old computer. Hopefully the hard drive still works, but anyways, let's go ahead and remove the battery. So the battery has this, it looks like a lock here. So I'm going to guess you slide it over to the left to unlock it. And then this one you slide over to the right. It's spring loaded, so you have to hold it over to the right, and then you can slide the battery out. Yep. Alright, this looks like an extended battery. I don't know if this is what came with the laptop, but if you need it, this is the model number, PA3400U-1BRS. Alright, there we go. We'll set the battery aside. Okay, and now we're going to just open up random doors on this thing. I'm not going to do a complete disassembly. Again, the customer just wanted the data, so the main thing I'm going to do is get to the hard drive, which it looks like is underneath this door. Hopefully this isn't using a IDE hard drive, but anyways, once you remove that screw, you can slide this down, and shoot, it is IDE. Hopefully I have an adapter somewhere. I don't know where I put it. It's been so long that I've worked with these hard drives, so we'll see. Anyways, let's get this plastic tab up. And then you're going to want to pull to slide this hard drive out. If for some reason the hard drive is stuck in there and you can't get it out, you can also use a hard drive in these little screw holes for the hard drive and use that to help pull it out. Alright, so we got the hard drive out. We're going to take this, actually I'll just leave the bracket on, we'll take it off because it might get in the way. So there's 4 screws holding this metal bracket in here. This is a 2.5-inch IDE hard drive. So if for some reason you wanted to get a new IDE hard drive or something to replace, you can. Oh, okay, this thing is just holding these metal bars. Okay, you want to make sure the metal bars stay in the right order if you're going to take it out and put it back in. Since I'm not really going to put the hard drive back in, we're just going to leave it out, then it doesn't really matter to me. But they do have adapters for these IDE hard drives so that you can put kind of like SSDs in there. I think you can put like M-SATA SSDs. They have M-SATA adapters. But as for other options, I'm not too sure, so you'll have to look into that. You won't be able to put a SATA SSD as far as I know. But there we go. I'm going to just put this metal bracket in here, even though it's not necessary, but just to have it in there. Okay. There we go. Since this isn't going to be used anymore, we're going to just put that back in. I'm going to slide this cover back on, just like that, and we'll put the screw back into place. Alright, now we're going to check what's underneath the other doors. I don't know if the RAM is accessible. It might be under this door. Let's take a look. Alright, pop that open. There's one slot for RAM here, but it's not being used. I'm going to guess that's DDR1, but this computer's so old, I'm not going to look into it too much because I don't think it's going to really benefit many people, if any at all. I don't know if you can even find this type of RAM. You'd have to probably find it from somewhere like eBay or something. Let's see what's under this screw door, if this is even openable. Alright, I don't know. Let me try with this pry tool. Okay, so it slides down. So for some reason it was stuck. There we go. This is a wireless card. Again, I'm not going to really spend much time looking into this, but it has these 2 metal tabs, just like RAM. You pull them to the side, it should pop up. Alright, let's put this back together. Random broken pieces of plastic coming out. Alright, slide that back in. Get this screw back into place. Let's see what's under this door. Maybe a CMOS battery, BIOS battery. We'll find out. Alright. And no, I don't know what this card is. If somebody knows, go ahead and fill people in. I don't know. It has a bunch of stuff in here. There's a model number in here of something. I mean, if you have this and your thing breaks, good luck. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's like the audio card or sound card or something. Okay, I don't really see much else to mess around with in here. I mean, since there's one stick of removable RAM, there has to be another stick somewhere else. Again, I'm not going to look into it, but I'm guessing you have to take the keyboard out and stuff like that to get to it. So computers in the past used to be so colorful. Now they're all just black and gray and silver and black and gray and silver. But anyways, there we go. We're gonna put the battery back in and just get it lined up and slide it into place, and then make sure to lock that thing back. That's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can also learn how to work on their devices. And consider contributing or donating to the channel so that I can continue making these videos and doing this for a living. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you later. Let's drop this.